What's cracking, my homies? I'm back on it. Na-miss nyo ba ako? Do you guys miss me? You guys miss me? Yeah. Medyo ano lang tayo, right? Slow down on live. Kasi alam ko, you know, maybe you guys are probably kind of tired of me or something. So, that's one of the reasons why. But anyways, you got a new order. Joshua is coming back. It's been a minute, you know, but it's all good, you know. At least, you know, may alam mo, we're doing something right. Kasi bumabalik sila, di ba? You know, ganun talaga sometimes. Hindi naman tayo, we're not in US or anything where, you know, money comes and go or money just flies, you know. So, understandable naman yun. And, yeah. So, with all that said, you know, chill lang muna. You know, and I'm really kind of excited because I'm about to buy this thing, right? I'll show it to you guys. That's kind of nice. It's off of where you order stuff. It's one of those things where you have one of those little where you could put some of the stuff instead of me. But you know, for now, I'll be using a lot of these, right? And a lot of those other stuff. So ngayon, gagamitin ko naman when I buy one of those. It's like you're in a restaurant working, you know. I'm like, wow, feeling pro, you know. It's all good, you know. So, nakaka-excite, you know, it's a little, you know, exciting kasi may bago kang tools, you know how it goes, right? Even if you're a mechanic or carpenter or something, if you have the new tools that you're gonna be using, then, you know, para ma-excited ka, di ba? Like, wow. You know, nakaka-excite naman yan. You know, so that's one of the reasons why I can't wait till I get those and I'm gonna show it off. I'll show it to you guys. You know, like it's gonna be like one of those dips. But anyways, yeah, you know, I'm also coming off with yung enchiladas. So I haven't put them together yet, but I already got the menu and everything. I just needed them fries and everything. So once it's out, it's gonna be off the hook. I'm telling you. Them enchiladas, boy, it's the bomb. So, because I already tasted it, I already like perfected the what do you call that? The seasoning and stuff. So it's gonna be off the hook, man. Can't wait, man. Thanks to the homie, man, because you know the homie actually, I was talking to the homie, and I asked him, right, one of my Mexican homie. And I was like, hey, fool, I actually saw you, right?